What's the meaning of construction paper? Construction paper. Construction paper.
Construction paper. Construction paper. Construction paper is a type of paper that is commonly used for arts and crafts projects. It is typically made from high-quality wood pulp and is available in a wide range of colors. The paper is often used by children for various school projects, such as making cutout shapes or creating collages. It can also be used by artists for more intricate projects. Construction paper is relatively inexpensive and easy to find in most art supply stores, making it a popular choice for both kids and adults who enjoy creating art.